This video will show you where to find your VIN number on your vehicle. For an in-depth breakdown of what the VIN number contains and means, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance. Shown here is the most easily accessible VIN on the car at the base of the lower right windshield. There is also a VIN located on the rear driver's side door jamb. You can also obtain the VIN from the options list sticker in the cargo area, green arrow, or if you kept the original Maroni or window sticker that came with your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.